Hello students, welcome back. In this session, we will be discussing about how we can perform the operations, addition operation, subtraction operation, multiplication operation or division operation in case of both the positive and negative numbers are involved. So most of the students are still getting confused, or some people are doing mistakes when they are doing addition, subtraction, multiplying with a positive number, negative number involved. Okay, so follow these steps whenever you are simplifying any mathematical solution. In middle steps you may get, you may add one positive number, one negative number, or you may multiply one positive number, one negative number, or you may get two negative numbers, and what you need to do, whether you need to do minus operation, subtraction or addition, which operation you have to do, and what sign before the final answer you have to put. So still people are getting confused, so I will just clarifying and remember the steps how we will handle. In some cases only two signs come without no number in between the signs, suppose so some x. So in this case how they deal with. So in any problem simplification, in middle of the simplification some steps they may get this kind of steps. There people are getting confused. So if the two signs are there but without a number in between them, are like a brackets but not a numbers, then what sign we have to take in place of these two signs? So people are having confusion. Okay, we will clarify that. Suppose when you are multiplying one positive number, one negative number, or both the number are positive, while multiplying both the positive number, what sign you have to put before the multiplication result? So it is easy for most of the students, will not get confused with this. Suppose let's take 5 multiplying with another positive number. So if no sign is before means plus, that means positive numbers do not have plus symbol additionally before positive number. If we not mention any sign before a number, that means it is a positive number. No need to put a plus sign before a positive number. Only in case of negative number we will put minus symbol before the negative number. So this is one positive value, this is one positive value. So operation is multiplication. So multiply the two operations, two numbers, 5 into 3, 5 3 is 15, and if you put plus or don't put a plus also same. So positive number we will not put plus, that means it's defaultly there is a plus symbol before this number. So if we multiply two positive number, we will get a multiplication result is positive. Okay, that is the first step. Now we will see the second step. What if we are multiplying two numbers, out of two numbers one number is positive, one number is negative. Let's take same numbers, 5 is a positive number and multiplying 5 with a minus 3. How we will solve this? So here the main operation is multiplication, but I am multiplying one positive number with a one negative number. So in that case what we will do, first perform the multiplication operation between the numbers. 5 3 is 15. Before the multiplication result, here what sign we have to put? If nothing is there before a number, that means it is a positive number, the plus sign will be before this number. I am multiplying one positive number with one negative number. First perform the multiplication operation on numbers first. 5 3, two numbers, take numbers first. 5 3, 5 3 is 15, and before 15 what sign, what symbol we have to put, whether it is a plus or minus. So we'll see what plus into minus, plus into minus, the final sign before the final answer is negative. So if we multiply a 5 with a minus 3, 5 3 is 15, and we will put plus into minus, minus sign before the result. This is, we can solve like this step. Now check for the third step. The third step, suppose if we are multiplying, I am taking minus 5 and multiplying minus 5 with a 3. So if nothing, no sign before 3 means it is a plus value defaultly. So it is minus 5 plus 3. What operation we are performing? multiplication operation. While multiplying one negative number with the one positive number, first what we will do, first multiply the numbers 5, first take the numbers 5, 3, multiply the two numbers, 5 3 is 15, and before the multiplication result what sign we have to put. In case of multiplication, if the out of two numbers, out of the two numbers, if one sign is negative, if one number is negative, then the final result will also be negative. Remember that point. So here minus into plus. If you are multiplying a negative number with a positive number, the multiplication result will have a minus before that result. So from these two steps, what we can say, in case of multiplication on two numbers, out of the two numbers, if any one, either first number is negative or the second number is, here in this step first number is negative, in this case second number is negative. So out of the two numbers, if one number is negative, then the multiplication result will have minus before. So you do this also. So both are same. So in this two number, 5 is minus, 3 is plus, 3 is positive, 5 is negative. So out of the given two numbers, if one number is negative, we have to take the minus sign before the multiplication result. Here 5 is a positive, we are multiplying one positive number with one negative number. So in the given two numbers, in case of multiplication operation, out of the two numbers, if one number, either first number or second number, if either one is negative number, then we will be put minus symbol before the final multiplication result. Remember this point. Okay, now we'll see the last step. So what if we are multiplying two negative numbers? We will multiply the two numbers first and we will put the plus symbol before the multiplication result. Minus into minus will become plus, plus into plus plus, minus into minus is equals to plus. If we multiply two negative numbers, we will get the positive multiplication result. If we multiply two numbers, if out of the two numbers, if one number is negative, we will get the negative multiplication result. So from we will see the last thing. If we are multiplying minus 5 with the minus 3, so I am multiplying both the negative numbers. First multiply the numbers, 5 3 is 15, and minus into minus, minus into minus, plus. So no need to put plus in case of positive number. So if we multiply two number of same type, either 2 are positive or 2 are negative, so from these two, what we can say, if two numbers, we are multiplying two numbers, if two numbers are positive, we will get a positive multiplication result. If two, we are multiplying two negative numbers, if two numbers, two are negative, both are negative or both are positive. In these two cases, in case of multiplication, when we are multiplying both the multiplication number, the multiplication result will be positive. If we are multiplying both the negative numbers, both the numbers multiplication result will also be positive. Only in case of out of the two numbers, if any one, either first number or the second number is negative, then the multiplication result will be negative. So in case of multiplying the positive negative number, this is 4 steps you need to take care. Okay, this is about multiplication. Now we will see the addition or subtraction. So while doing simplification problems, you need to face a lot of confusion like this in the middle of solution. So if we add two positive numbers, we will add the numbers first and then put the positive sign before the addition result. If we are adding one positive number, one negative number, first you have to you have to perform the subtraction operation on numbers and put the plus or minus. Out of these two numbers, which number is a larger number, and larger number, whatever the larger number have sign, that sign we will put before the subtraction result. Here also same, we are adding one negative number with one positive number. Here also first we have to perform the subtraction operation on the numbers, and before the subtraction result we have to put larger number sign. Whether it is a larger number is a plus, then we will put plus. If larger number is having minus and before it, we will put negative before the subtraction result. if we are adding both the negative numbers, so first we have to add the numbers and put the minus symbol before the addition result. Okay, now I will take some example, you will get an understanding. So where we will get, suppose if I am adding plus 5 plus 3, so if there is no nothing means the number is having plus, or you can say directly this is a, we are adding 5 plus 3 means this is a positive number, this is a positive number, 5 is a positive number, 3 is a positive number, I am adding 5 plus 3, then it is easy for everyone, they can directly add the addition result. 5 3 is 8, and before that if we put plus or no side, no plus sign, same, it is a positive number, the result is positive. What if in case of I am doing, suppose in case if I get like this, in simplification we may get in the within the bracket mathematical expression, if we solve, if we come across like this. So here, so we saw here nothing but two mathematical signs are there, but no number in between the signs, in between these symbols, no number. Bracket means, bracket is another form of multiplication. If we multiply place with the minus, we will get minus only. That means in this place we can take minus. Okay, you have to follow these steps in case of when you are simplifying a problem. In the middle of the solution you may come across like this, 5 plus bracket of minus 3. Most of the cases in simplification chapter you will come across this kind of steps. Not only simplification, in any of the addition subtraction cases you will come across like this, 5 plus bracket minus 3. Here we have two signs but no number in between the signs. Then what we have to do, if it is a bracket is there or bracket is not also there, we have to consider that if it is like, that means there is a multiple bracket or multiplication in between those two signs. If two signs are there without number present in between, then we have to multiply these two signs, then take the final sign. So plus into minus. So when we are adding 5 plus bracket of minus 3, so here what we have to take further, plus into minus, that means plus into minus, what we will get, minus, right? So I can take directly minus in place of all these two signs place. Instead of this writing this, I can take minus. So 5 minus 3, that means I am subtracting 3 from 5. So if I subtract 3 from 5, what we will get, 2. And in case of subtraction, so anyway is a 3 we can subtract 3 from 5. So 3 is a smaller number, 5 is a larger number. If we subtract the smaller number 3 from larger number 5, we will get 2. The sign is larger number sign. 5 is having plus means plus. So if we no need write plus, same. Plus 2 or just 2, both are same number. So this case. Now we will see another case. You may come this this kind of mathematical expressions, then how you will solve. Suppose if we are doing like this, how you will solve. So one negative number plus one positive number. So in this case the two numbers are involved in either addition or subtraction. What we have to do, if two numbers are, one is positive, one is negative, or two numbers are involved in addition or subtraction, if the two signs are different, means one is positive, one is negative, first what we have to do, perform the subtraction operation on numbers first. That means subtract the smaller number, that is 3, from the larger number 5. So if I subtract 3 from 5, I got 2. Now before these two, what sign we have to take? Larger number sign. Here larger number is 5. 5 is having minus. So the result is minus 2. So here most of the students getting problem in these cases. So people are doing correct only. They are subtracting, but they are not taking minus. They are simply telling minus 5 plus 3. What is the result? 2. Out of the 5 students, 3 students telling like this only. -5 plus 3. Up to this part is correct. We have still one final step left. That is, so if two numbers involved in addition or subtraction, then we have to subtract the smaller value from the larger number. Okay, that is first step. And here it is smaller number is 3, larger number is 5. Subtract the smaller number 3 from larger number 5. Yes, subtraction result is 2. Before 2, what sign we have to take? So larger number sign here, larger number 5, and the sign is minus. So it is result is -2. So okay, very careful. So very simple steps the people will take mistakes. So in this case, who are take this result as a plus 2, they did mistake. Okay, don't do that mistakes. Be careful taking these signs, especially two numbers involved in addition or subtraction. We have to subtract the smaller number from larger number and take the larger number sign before the result. That is the correct. Okay, you are done with this step. Okay, what you will do in this case, when two numbers are involved, addition or subtraction, or two numbers have the same sign. So if two numbers have like this, we will simply add the numbers. In this case, if two numbers having same sign, either 2 or positive, then we will add either 2 minus, or here 2 signs are negative. That means we are not subtracting here. First add the numbers 5 plus 3, 8, and before simply take minus sign before the result. In case of if we are having two negative values, first add the numbers, before that take the minus symbol as it is. That means here it is addition only. If two numbers have same sign, either two numbers are having same sign plus, we will add the numbers. In case of two numbers are having the same sign, that is negative, then we will add the two numbers and put the minus sign before the addition result. This step is very important. In case of two negative numbers are involved, first add the two numbers and put the minus directly before that addition result. Okay, don't get confused. If two numbers are negative, same, we have to perform the addition operations on number 5, 3. Add. If we add 5, 3, we will get 8. Before that 8, the two numbers are negative, then directly take the negative sign before the addition result. Okay, so if you know these addition steps, same for subtraction also. That means if we are subtracting both the positive number, this situation comes in case if you come across the situation like this: 5 minus plus 2. Definitely you will get this kind of, maybe numbers will vary, but this expression, simplifying some mathematical expressions, you will definitely come across this kind of situation. So here two signs are there but no number in between. So what you have to do, you have to multiply the signs. If in case of two signs are there but no number in between the signs, then you have to multiply the signs. So you come to multiplication of signs. Minus into plus. If you multiply minus with the plus, we will get the minus. So take that. So in case of these two signs, we can take 5 minus 3. So one positive number, one negative number. Subtract the smaller number from larger number. 3. We subtract 3 from larger number 5. We got 2, and the larger number sign is plus. Okay. In this case, that means this positive number, we have subtraction addition. So in case of two signs are there but no number presented between the two signs, then we will take multiplication of the signs. So if you know the multiplication of signs, that will help you there to simplify further. Okay. Same. This is the very important step. If you come across this kind of situation, if two signs are there, no number presented between the signs, then you have to take the multiplication of the signs. If it is a plus into plus plus, okay, if you come across like this, some x. What you will do? We have to multiply the minus into minus. Minus into minus, we will definitely get plus x. Okay, in case of plus into minus x, minus into plus, if we multiply positive sign with the negative, we will get negative minus x. If you multiply minus with the positive, in these two cases, in multiplication, if one number is negative, one number is positive, then the result will be negative. So plus into plus, plus. Okay. Now we will see division operation with the positive negative numbers. Okay. Now I will take this page. If I divide positive number with the negative number, what result I will get? Or positive, I will get the positive result only. Same like multiplication only I will get. So when I am dividing two numbers, if two numbers are same, having same sign, either positive, either both numbers are positive, both numbers are negative, we will get the positive result only. Same like in multiplication. Suppose I am dividing addition, subtracting fractions, we will come across this kind of things. Suppose I am dividing two positive numbers, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja, so 2 2 ja. The answer will be plus 2 or just 2, both are same. So this is that case. When you are dividing both the same sign numbers, either positive, either negative, we will get the positive result only. Suppose if you take plus 4 by plus 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, so answer will be 2 or plus 2, both are same. So if you take, if I am dividing minus 4 with the minus 2, sign will get cancelled, same sign. Okay, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, the answer will be 2 or plus 2, both are same. In these two cases, division of two numbers, the both the numbers are having same sign, either positive, either negative, we will get the result as a positive. This is how, these are the example. Now we will see the, what if the out of the two numbers, if one number is negative, one number is positive, we will get negative result only. Same like multiplication, these two cases. Suppose I am dividing plus 4 by minus 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, so the result is 2 by 1 2. What sign I have to take here? If I divided plus with the negative, I will get result negative only. Same like this. Or in division, if either numerator or denominator, either of these two numbers will have different signs, then the result will have negative sign before. Or like take it, if I dividing minus 4 with the plus 2, 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja, so result is 2. Before result, what sign we have to take care? If two numbers are having different signs, either plus minus or minus plus, before result we will take negative sign. If we are dividing two numbers, if the two numbers are having same sign, either positive, then we will get positive result. If the two numbers are having same sign, minus by minus, then also we will get plus result. Only in case of if we are dividing two numbers, if either of the number is negative, plus divided by minus or minus divided by plus, in these two cases we will get the minus before the final result. Okay. So for subtraction, we will no need to separately discuss this. If we know the multiplication steps and addition steps, the addition itself, these subtraction operations will also included in addition. So no need to separately discuss about subtraction. Only the important multiplication and addition. If we know these two steps, it will automatically cover. The multiplication steps will cover in the same division. The addition steps will cover same way in the subtraction. So finally, what my request is, when you are performing addition on the numbers, how much importance we will give to the addition, subtraction or multiplying, division the numbers. Same importance we have to give to the signs. what sign or what symbol, either positive, negative, the numbers are having. In that case, we have to give the same importance to the symbols also. We will give the same importance for the numbers and the signs before the numbers. So those are going perfect. Those students who are not giving importance to the signs before the numbers, only they are considering the numbers only without signs, they are going not perfectly. Okay, remember that we have to give the same importance as we will give for the just numbers. We have to give the same importance to the signs while adding, subtracting, multiplying, division. Okay.